Hey y'all, good morning. Oh, my leg, y'all hurt a little bit still. It wasn't hurting y'all yesterday, but now anywho, that's it. But it's hurting a little bit, y'all. I've been up all morning, y'all, since 8 o'clock this morning. And I just up, listen to the Club Shay Shay show with Monique on there. She a real queen. And me some pork chops, y'all. I'm eating 3 baby pork chops. That's it. Yeah. But I was up all morning listening to that like for 3 hours. Monique is so real. I respect her. I really do. She making a way for other women in the world. That's all I said about that. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. It is Friday, y'all. We here. It's Friday. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hmm. We need some hot sauce on this pork chops because, for real, I don't got none. Yeah. Some hot sauce and y'all some hot sauce and pork chops and bread, baby. Bye. But y'all have an amazing day. And I love y'all so much and thank you for my new subscribers. But I totally respect the queen. I love y'all. So I'm going to finish eating and see what the day gonna bring me. But I'm praying to bring me peace, y'all, okay? Peace. And joy, happiness.